Hey, we're here in Portland, Oregon at a deep tissue specialty center called Eastbridge Massage, and one of the greatest new techniques, it's new in the United States really, not many people do it yet, but you'll begin to see this more and more, and it's called Ashiatsu. We climb up on the table, we reach the bars to help pivot and do this incredible work using a broad stroke with our feet. Now you can get really specific with your heels, and you can really lighten up if you need to, but it's incredible for releasing deep trigger points and myofascial restrictions, and I love it for the calves and the hamstrings going up into the glutes. A lot of the work that I personally do is more face down, where we have broader planes of tissue, larger muscle groups. People love it who have had really stubborn trigger points and chronic pain issues. So gonna use this body here, and we're gonna show you what it's like so you can just get a sense of it. Okay, this is one of my favorite Ashi moves. It is incredible. It's a bilateral move. So you pull your whole body weight up. We get both sides of the hip at the same time. You're getting so much work done in a very short amount of time, and it's incredibly deep. This is about as deep as you could even imagine. We adapt it to every type of person, but it's so effective. Okay, bilateral traps. You could do some of the deepest work pushing off the wall, and then this is the Ashi run. Here we go.